how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see what is event binding. Okay, so in last session we have seen how to handle the events. Okay, now we'll bind some one function to that event and we'll see how it will work. Okay, so let's start now. So what I will do, I'll create first fresh component only, because if I create fresh component you will understand easily. So I was thinking that only, like I'll create first fresh component only, event binding .js. okay, so I am here doing event binding, that is function event binding. Okay, then here it will come RFC, which will create a functional component. So you can see here I have created here functional component, okay, for event binding. So for this what we needed first, okay, so first here I want use state. So what I will do, I'll import the use state already first only. And what is use state and all, that video already I have done. Just visit to our channel, there you will get React playlist, there you will learn that what is use state and all. Okay, so what I will do, I'll create here one state. So what in this we will create one function for counting or for incrementing the count. So for that what I will do, I will take count, then here set count. Okay, then count and set count, then here I will take use state initial, the count will be what, 0. Okay, so I'll explain here what is this. So count, this is a variable name, and set count means updating the count. What we are doing here, set count means what, it will update the count. Whatever update we will do, that will store in set count only. Consider like that. Okay, and use state of 0 means what, the initial state of this count is 0. Okay, suppose if I take here 1 also, it is fine, but the initial state here will be what, 1, like that it is. Okay, and remember one thing, that suppose if you are taking integer, take 1. If you are taking string, then here you need to use a inverted commas. Okay, fine. Then next what I will do, I'll create here one button, because we are creating event, then we are binding that event, right? So what I will do, I have created one button. So here I will write like update update count. Okay, update count. So same here will write one event. So it will be the on click event only, same, but we are binding one function to that event. Okay, so in last session I had told what is this and all. So handle click. Okay, fine, this is our function name, that is handle click. So that I have to write here. So I will take here what, arrow functions only. So same I will copy, because sometime what will happen, spelling mistakes and all this will happen. So it's better to copy some functions name as it is only, so it will save our time, because if we get error, then again I have to search what is the error and all, right? Okay, so this is done. Then one thing here I have to display, because whenever I will do the click update count or increment the count, that time I want to display that count somewhere, right? So that I will display here in p tag. So here I will take count. Okay, and this is the count. As you know, this is the combination of HTML and JavaScript, so the curly braces should be there. Okay, and already I told this is the function, so I cannot take like this, because if I take like this for every refresh it will work. It will not work on click, means on button click. It will work continuously on all refresh. Okay, so it's most important that we should not take here that brackets. Okay, and this should be, oh here I forgot. Okay, and this should be camel casing, that is on click, otherwise it will not work. Okay, because I am repeating this again and again, because it is very important, so I am repeating that. Okay, so this is done. I have created a function also. So in function I have to write something that I want to increment, right? So for that what I will do, set count means what it will do, it will update my count. So my initial count is 0, so what I want to do, I want to increment that by 1 on each click. So I will take here 1. You can take here 2 also. If you want to increment by 2, you can take here 2 also, no problem. Okay, and this is done. So it will increment the count, and whatever incrementing I'm count, that it will set here count, and this I can see here in this count state. Okay, so initial I'll make here it is 0. Then as well as what I will do console also, so there also we can see what is happening and all. So I'll write here button clicked. Okay, done. Then okay, I hope it is done now. Okay, so what I'll do, I will start this. So one more thing I forgot, every time I forgot these things only, okay, because I have to import here, so that I forget every time. So I'll write here, that is function event binding. Okay, so it is already imported above, you can see here it is imported. Okay, then now I'll make it start, so it will take some time to start. So what I'll do, I'll pause and I'll come. Okay, okay guys, you can see here it is running now, that my program is running. Okay, so I'll show you now. See, this is our event, sorry, no, this is our on click event. Okay, so whenever I will click here, I'm binding this with this function. Okay, so here is our function where I'm counting the counts, and that I'm displaying here. So let's see now what will happen. So what I will do inspect also, so I can see here also in console. Okay, so suppose one thing I want to tell, like if you're doing any programming language, just whatever, if console is there now, there will get some idea whether it is working in or not, background what is happening, everything we can see in console. So console is very important in any programming language. Okay, so see, let's see now. So I'll do count. You can see here whenever I am counting here, my button is clicking here in console also. I can see update 2, 3, here it is incrementing. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, and one more thing I told, for example, if I make here initial state is 1, you can see my initial state will be 1. Okay, you can see my initial state will be 1, and for example, if I want to increment by 2, it should get increment by 2. That will check whether it will increment or not. Okay, so okay, let's check now. Okay, see, I am incrementing now. See, it is incrementing by 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. Like, means it is incrementing. So this is about the event binding. You can bind any event to this button, this on click function. Okay, so I hope you got this. Suppose if you have any question regarding this, then please comment in comment box, because I like to answer the questions. And if you are getting any errors and on, then please comment in comment box. I'll make video on that also. Okay, because see, if you solve any errors, more errors, now you will learn more things. So errors are very important in our programming also. Okay, so please guys, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and keep support guys, and share it with your friends also. Okay, so thank you so much for doing guys, keep support guys.